Hi Acadiana, I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Welcome to the midweek. Hopefully you've had a good start to your work week and school week for many of the students that are heading back to class over the course of the week this week. Another hot one on tap for us today as a heat advisory remains in effect. Check it out. Here's your sky cam. Some hazy sunshine out here this morning, and temperatures have stayed quite warm out there. And looking at our traffic cams, again, we've got a lot of sunshine out there, some hazy conditions, but nothing that's really going to slow you down weather-wise this time around. And of course, kids are heading back to school this time around. 84 degrees as you head to school, and as you pick them up later this afternoon, looks like those temperatures are going to be hovering right around 100 degrees. Local conditions are showing temperatures generally in the 70s and low 80s once again, and we've had a few widely scattered showers in the offshore waters, but for the most part we've got fair skies over land as we continue to see a ridge of high pressure at the surface and aloft. That upper ridge is still centered over the Four Corners states, but it's kind of edged its way a little farther to the east, and that is keeping Debby basically stationary there off the east coast. Tropical Storm Debby is expected to roll back inland as we head into the afternoon hours and will still continue to rain itself out there over the east coast, but there is a trough that's digging across the upper part of the country, and that will not only pull Debby away, but also pull a series of cool fronts southward. Again, I'm not really emphasizing the word cool, but maybe more dry, as some dry air will be pulled down southward on the backside of Debby, as well as that upper trough that's there. So even though temperatures have been hovering around 100 over the past several days, I think our temperatures are finally going to drop back off to near normal levels over the course of the weekend, which would be low to mid 90s. And then with that upper trough digging there, it'll send some drier air down as well. So heat index values may be even staying lower than 105, which is actually a pretty decent day by South Louisiana standards. Otherwise, though, I think we're going to hit 101 for our daytime high, and with that, a heat advisory is in effect for a good chunk of Acadiana, mainly over the eastern half of the immediate areas of Acadiana, including Avoyelles, St. Landry, Acadia, Lafayette, St. Martin, Vermilion, Iberia, and St. Mary parishes. Gulf of Mexico, generally looking fair. We've got those scattered showers and thunderstorms there off the southeastern coast of Louisiana, and winds and seas will be higher, of course, around those thunderstorms, but as a general rule, our offshore forecast looking at northwesterly or westerly winds today at about 10 to 15 knots and seas running about 2 to 3 feet. And of course, Debby is still hanging there right off the Carolina coast as a tropical storm. It is forecast to drift its way inland over the course of the day today, and then by the end of the week we think it'll finally be swept out by that upper trough. Still a tropical wave though over the Caribbean that might have a low end chance for some development a couple of days from now over the Bay of Campeche, but models have really been backing off of this tropical wave. But there are other tropical waves that are out there, and it is August, so I wouldn't be surprised to see some additional development here sometime in the next week to 10 days. We'll discuss all that, of course, live today on Let's Talk Tropics right here on Acadiana Weather Today. But we're going to take you to 101 this afternoon. Again, a heat advisory in effect. That heat index could be as high as 110. Of course, with temperatures in the triple digits during the day, it does not cool off a whole lot at night. So I think upper 70s and low 80s will be a good bet. Thursday, I still think we're going to hit the triple digits. Friday, maybe only reaching 99 degrees. And then as we head into the weekend, our temperatures will fall back into the mid 90s with heat index values dropping as well, with some of that drier air filtering in. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana Weather Today. If you do, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on those notifications. That way you know when Let's Talk Tropics starts later today. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Have a great midweek, and I'll see you on Thursday.